Children, have you followed the first portion of this Narayanpur incident? I hope you have seen that they were marching silently. That's the important point you should remember. Secondly, they gave the memorandum or the notice or this, their declaration of war as they were enemies. These 3 points you remember. Then Amma comments something, no? Unless you people are Adolf Hitler, then we will continue, okay? Right, which we are not. So he says, so that how it was and what was that paper you gave the policeman. So she says, no, you were not Hitler. Then she asked, what was the thing in that paper or the notice that he gave? That was a notice served on the collector as representative of His Majesty's government, asking them to quit India or face the consequences. So he says, this is what? This is a letter to His Majesty, the Queen there, and asking them to quit India. Underline. They have to quit India, leave India and give us the independence. Now Suman and other boys turned up after they had finished their dinner. That night, the boy staggered in with a large newspaper-covered parcel in his hand. Underline. A large newspaper-covered parcel. He staggered. That means drawing. To drag it. To drag because it was a heavy one. The parcel was heavy one, so they dragged it. Got it? Mohan asked, his voice tense and with excitement. They were asking. Suman and another boy came. No, so Mohan asked her, got it. And yes, lot of trouble though. But she said, with lot of trouble we got it. Where shall I take it? He says. She asks where to keep it. Here, let me help you. My room. Okay, Amma? So he says, Mohan says that it will be kept in his room. Then ask Amma whether it was correct. No, I think the puja room is better. A light there will look more normal. Now Amma was very clever. No, she said, you don't take the parcel to your room. You better keep in the puja room. There will be a light, small light, and people always think, in the puja room there will be light, no one will suspect anything. Right, as usual, Amma, the puja room then. The boy went away after a whispered conversation with Suman. Then Suman, Amma and Mohan went into the small puja room. Babu and Manju stared curiously over their shoulders at the mysterious parcel, which turned out to be a cyclo-styling machine. Underline. What was this mysterious parcel? Okay, children, it was given mysterious parcel. But what was that? Cyclo-styling machine. But I think you people may not be seen it. Nowadays you have got Xerox machine, no? And in earlier days, we had this type of cyclo-styling machine where they keep a sheet and it will be rolled over and you will get the printing material. If you go any Xerox shop, you can ask them, if you have got cyclo-styling machine, please show it. They can have it, then you can have a look at it. Okay, children? So, what was the mysterious parcel? A cyclo-styling machine. Babu, Mohan said as they settled down to work, sit out in the front room and keep watch. Give us a warning if anyone seems to be coming to our house. Manju, go to bed. Or else, he went on, noticing her crestfallen face. You sit here in the hall, pass on Babu's warning to us. Now he gave the job to these 2 boys. He told Babu to sit outside and watch if any person would come to towards their house. If anybody comes, he should give the message to them so that they could hide everything and behave as common people. And she wanted Manju to go to bed, but she was very expressed her sadness. So he told her, "Okay, you sit in the hall and pass the warning." Now Babu sat outside, alert and attentive. Alert means very careful and attentive because we have to watch now. He felt a tickling in his throat. It was beginning, and at last he was doing something. What a pity, Gopya. Murali and others would never know about, perhaps someday. He was thinking of his friends, Gopya, Murali, and others. Perhaps someday. He checked himself and kept his eyes and mind on the road outside. So he watched outside. And it was deserted, means no one was there. Desert is, see now, it can be used in two ways. Deserted. Desert is noun form sand, land or marubhumi. Remember. And if it is verb form, then it gives you no one was there. Empty, deserted. Nobody was there. Remember that. In noun it is marubhumi. In verb it is no one was there. In a little while, the 9 o'clock siren went off. See, those days were no wartime, so the siren will be there, and by 9 o'clock they have to shut everything and even switch off, and they have to be in the house. Babu thought for the first time that day of the war being fought all over the world. Second World War time now, 1942. 1939 to 1945, Second World War time. So the caution was there. So he remembered recording it. And Babu thought for the first time that the day of the war being fought all over the world, and suddenly coming out of his reverie, that is dream, he tensed. He became very anxious. A man riding a bike got off and stopped right outside their gate. So a person came by his riding a bike, and he just got off near their gate. But it was only a light cigarette, it seemed. So the light was from the cigarette. Babu could not see the match flaring. Then he glowed in front of the man's face. The small point of light moved as the man got on his back and rode away. So the person got down, lit his cigarette and puffed it, and then again got onto his bike and went away. Rode away means ride, road, ridden. Remember, children, V1, V1, V1A, V1B, V2. In the verb video, you have got all these things. Ride, rides, rode, ridden, riding, to ride. One more bike, Babu flung himself inside. Now, Babu caught up, flung. Remember, fling, flung. Manju turned a startled face to him. Someone is coming in. Now this Babu, whispering, said, someone is coming in. There was silence from inside the puja room. Their faces looked at him blankly, the dim light giving them a peculiar look. They were giving a peculiar look. Shadow quivered and danced as the wick in the oil lamp flickered and fizzed. That means they put it off. Then Amma got up and came out, followed by Mohan. Suman stayed inside, and Mohan closed the door of the room. Manju, go to bed. Babu, you too. So when a person came, they gave the caution to this room. Babu and Manju, you people better go and sleep. So this is what the thing happening at the time of the war, and when we were asking the people to the Britishers to quit India. So they were very, very anxious. Somehow they have to continue it. Okay, children, I stop here, and in the next class we will take up the further one. And meanwhile, you go through all these paragraphs carefully. And point to be remembered is they brought the mysterious parcel. What is it called? Cyclostailing machine. If you find time, you can go to any one of the Xerox shops and can ask them to show it. Okay, children. See you. Bye bye.